What is going on, everybody? Real quick, I wanted to touch base with you guys. The Arsenal Camera Assistant review, that is coming. You should see it in the next day or so. I'm just kind of putting some final touches on the video before I put it out there. But real quick, I wanted to make a quick video real quick and kind of touch base with you guys on some new project that I'm getting ready to start. A couple days ago, I had reached out to a company and I saw an advertisement on Facebook for them. It looked pretty cool. I reached out to them, said I would love to do a review on their product, and they sent me one of their products for free. You may have seen it. You may have seen it on Facebook or some other form of informational platform, whatever, photography platform. But it's called the Pluto Trigger. I don't know if you've seen it yet or not. It's actually a pretty cool looking product from what the website looked like. It's basically kind of the same deal as the Arsenal Camera Assistant, but this one uses a laser, and it's supposed to do some pretty cool things. It's got 24 modes on it: Bluetooth connection, shutter release, time-lapse, and star trail, long exposure HDR, high-speed sensors, so on and so forth. But I'm going to be doing a review on this, so stay tuned for that. And I'm also going to be pitting the two against each other. So I'm putting this and the Arsenal Camera Assistant against each other. They're both kind of in the same price range, so I want to see which one's going to be the better bang for the buck. So stay tuned for that video, guys. I just wanted to put this out there real quick, let you guys know that the review for that is coming, as well as the review for the Pluto Trigger. So if you have any questions or if you have anything you want me to review about this, anything specific, please, again, drop a comment in the below. And be on the lookout, guys. So take care.